Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to work on an option for rail or fence supports for dressage. So these are our rails. So I already showed one, and it's when you have used the really thick balsa wood. But if you've seen that, it's a pain. The thick balsa wood can be a real pain to work with. So I have an alternative. And we're going to use these markers here. So you actually use 4 of these to make one support. And I need a corner support. So I'm not sure I showed in the book how to do a corner support. But we need one. And I actually don't have one in my tack box. 2 of these are going to be end pieces, and they will have the holes for the fence support. And then 2 of them are for the middle. So you can get the look of that 1.25 inches by gluing them together. So you can have 4 or 5 of them glued together, however many you need. So let's go ahead and make one of those. Okay, so I'll do 2 this way. It's not as thick. This is like about 1/4 inch thick. And then this is the one that I would have the it's not as thick, so I would use this one for the holes here that for the sides. Let's go ahead and get out my blades. So this is a 100. That is not super coarse, but it should be coarse enough that I can take this. what I would do is just take one of the, I don't think it really matters, but just take one of the pattern pieces, kind of figure out, you know, where you want to put it. And you can glue this in place, but somewhere on the front of the mark or of the holder, and make sure the top, you know, make sure you got that, because otherwise your fence will look uneven. And we can just kind of, it moved. That's why I like to glue it. And just kind of cut. And now I can see where I want to make those. So I can compare it to this side, see, and make sure that it's at the right place. And now all right. Oops. All right. So that is our corner. It does need paint. Okay, there you go. That's the corner piece. Looks like it's all one piece of wood. It's all painted, and I might spray it with a clear coat, but for the most part it doesn't need it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave questions in the comment section. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and have yourself a really good day.